You could win a year's supply if you help us name it. This is the product formerly known as Magic Mod. We've really been struggling with the name, so we decided to get it in your hands so you can test it out and play with it, and then help us come up with the best name possible. For obvious reasons, it can't rhyme with podge or modge. It needs to stand on its own. It has to be unique. Originally, we were going to go with the magic sealer, but it's not just a sealer. It does so many different things. Used it as a glue. I've sealed my projects with it. I coated a puzzle the other day. I've glued leather together. It's an amazing glue, by the way. I mean, the finish dries flat without brushstrokes or bubbles, so you can coat things and protect them from water and the elements. You can keep your vinyl from peeling up. You can hem your pants with it. I mean, shoot, I've even got it on, put it on my sweatshirt and ran it through the wash a couple of times, and it's flexible and still adheres, but it doesn't come out. It's water-based. There's no toxic chemicals in it. It does so many things it's really hard to name. And that's why we're turning to you, our community. To be eligible to win a year's supply, all you have to do is submit your name and email and the name that you think would be best for this product. That's it. We'll choose a name in the next couple of weeks and reach out to you and make a bunch of posts, and if you won, I'm going to be sending this stuff to you personally because, man, I will be grateful. Nike didn't mean anything until they made it mean something. Let's do the same thing with this.